और अभी आपको बराह रास्त ले चलेंगे जहां इस वक्त वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
I sincerely hope that the esteemed team of Dr. Ziauddin University will continue their invaluable contribution to the education and healthcare in Pakistan with the same passion and commitment. The legacy already speaks volumes, and I am confident that it will continue to inspire generations. The government of Sindh remains committed to supporting educational institutions and initiatives that prioritize knowledge, research, and community welfare. We understand the crucial role that universities like Ziauddin play in shaping leaders of tomorrow and building a progressive knowledge-based society. While we were sitting here, Dr. Asim Hussain had told me about his plans for the neuropsychology initiative that Ziauddin now has. I assure you, Dr. Saab, you will have the fullest cooperation of the government of Sindh, and we would also like to pitch in and contribute to this venture, which will go to benefit the people of Sindh and the people of Pakistan. Now, the reason why we are here today, the graduating students of 2024. Once again, I offer my heartfelt congratulations to you. Remember the values your alma mater has instilled in you: integrity, service, and excellence. Whatever path you choose, measure your success not just by personal achievements, but by the difference you make in the lives of others. Make your university proud, make your families proud, and above all, make your country proud. In closing, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, and Vice-Chancellor, faculty, and the entire administration of Ziauddin University for their unwavering commitment to shaping the minds of the future leaders. I also congratulate the proud parents who must have sacrificed a lot in making sure that their children go through the top-class education that they've received in Ziauddin. And I'm sure that the students here would always remember the sacrifices, the interest that the parents have shown in the success, and they will also always remember the faculty, their teachers, who've shaped them into what you've shaped into what you are today. And I urge you to please come back and contribute to this university whenever you have a chance. It can be once you've got your higher education, you can come back and teach here. You can make contributions for the betterment of this university, and inshallah, Ziauddin University would further educate and train our younger generation, and inshallah, all the students will shine brighter. May Ziauddin University continue to grow, inspire, and lead in the years to come. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का ज़ियाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब। कहा कि कामयाब तलबा को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह ज़ियाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि कामयाब तलबा को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। तालीमी इदारों को मज़ीद बेहतर बनाने के लिए हुकूमत अपनी कारकर्दगी दिखा रही है। वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का ज़ियाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब। कहा कि कामयाब तलबा को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। तालीम मुकम्मल करने वाले तलबा मुल्क की तरक्की में किरदार अदा करें। मुराद अली शाह की जानिब से कहा गया है। वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का ज़ियाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब। कहा कि हुकूमत तालीमी शोबे की बेहतरी के लिए इक़दाम कर रही है। तमाम तलबा को मुबारकबाद भी पेश की गई है। वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह का ज़ियाउद्दीन यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब। कहा कि तालीम और तहक़ीक़ से ही मुआशरे आगे बढ़ते हैं। कामयाब तलबा को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।